Today, we will see how we can use artificial intelligence, in our case, Gizzmo.ai, to actually create automatically general content about Amazon products and sell them using our affiliate links and, of course, earn a commission if some sales originate from our content. So Gizmo is a brand new and simple tool using artificial intelligence. It is one WordPress plugin plus one Google Chrome extension. So if you haven't installed it yet, I invite you to check the link in a comment and try the product for yourself. Then install the WordPress plugin and the Chrome extension and see how we can start. So starting from the from the WordPress plugin. You have three different types of articles that Gizmo can create for you: product reviews, products roundup, and general content. This is what we'll see today. So all you have to do is to go to your general content tab. If you have not yet selected the products for about which you wish to create general content, you will have to select them on Amazon, which is what we'll do right now. But if you have already selected some articles on Amazon using the Google Chrome extension, you will see them appear here. So first of all, go to Amazon. For example, we want to create a general content article about cooking robots for a website about groceries. So what we do is go on Amazon, search for products related to our keywords. So in our case, cooking robots. Let's say, for example, we want to include the first sponsored product. So we open the product page, we wait a little for the page to load, and once loaded, the Gizmo Chrome extension shows up, and we can add this product to the list of products that we consider for article generation. So we have one article. We need four for our general content product article. So this was one of them. Then let's see what else we can do. For example, let's select the most expensive cooking robot. We always want to increase our commissions. So this one is out of stock. Let's select something in stock. For example, this one. No idea what it is, but it is a cooking robot. So let's select it, add it to our list of products. So now we have two products. And let's continue. What else do we have? What else is interesting? Okay, for example, this one, food processor, very interesting. So let's add this one, add it to our list of articles. Now we have three articles, and let's add maybe some more traditional cooking robot like this one. I hope it's not the one I've just selected. So let's just go back here to Gizmo, reload the page because I have added new products from Amazon to have them load. And the one I chose first was the Chef Robo Smart Food Processor. So it's another one. So let's select also this cooking robot. Okay. And add it to our list of products. So here we go. Now we have selected four products for Amazon. We can go back to our WordPress plugin, reload the page. So the products list is updated. Go to general content because we want to create a general content post. Now all we have to do after having selecting the products is to prepare content for them. So just click the prepare button and artificial intelligence will then grab the information from the Amazon product page. So it is queued. Once it is our turn, AI is preparing the content. So depending on the current server load, and many other things, it might take more or less longer. So in our experience, usually it takes less than a minute to get artificial intelligence to prepare the data from a selected Amazon product. So let's see, it can take, for sure, it always takes a few seconds, it can take a few minutes, might take longer depending on current server load, how many people are using the system at the same time, and many other parameters, but usually it is pretty fast. So right now it seems like it takes a little longer than usual, but it's still fine. So the first product is already done. And once we'll have the four products, we'll be able to select all of them. So as soon as they are ready by the AI, we can add them to our list of four products that we want to use to create a general content post. So here we have the first one. We will be able to change the featured image. So images are taken from the Amazon product pages. We can select the one we want. Usually the first one is fine. For example, let's say I want to take this picture. And now the second article, the second product is ready. We can also add it and we can change the order of our products. So the first one will be the one from which the featured image will be taken. And in our case, maybe we want the most expensive cooking product first because we want to try to increase our commission. Then add the third product, and we are waiting now for the fourth and last product to be ready so AI can finally create our general content article for us. Let's see, AI is preparing. It might take a little time. So it was more or less, I would say, around 30 seconds per product to be generated. Here we go. We have our four products. Now let's just write a post category or a subject that will help Gizmo artificial intelligence to generate and subject topics that can be used to write a post about. Okay, so here we have actually no selection. So get post topics. We need a subject. So subject is cooking robots. Let's check the topics. So it takes a little time to handle data. And here we have various topics. We have to select one for which we want the general content post to be about. So we don't want evolution of cooking robot, modern kitchen, the role of artificial intelligence, blah, blah, blah. So if you have time, you can do a deeper research, check which title will be best for SEO, has the less competition, the more intent from search and everything. So in this case, for example, we want enhancing culinary skill. Let's explore different types of cooking robots and their features. And you can select your affiliate tag. So in our case, this is the find tag and choose an SEO keyword. So for keywords max, and in our case, let's say top cooking robots or singular top cooking robot. And now all you have to do is to create the general post and wait a few seconds. Artificial intelligence will create the general content post, actually a draft, but it will be available for review in our WordPress post list. So it is working. Let's see how long it takes to generate a general content post. It is working in the background, and usually it takes a few seconds, again, less than a minute, but well, everything is possible. Should be over with soon. Let's see. Okay, that's done. Our article has been generated. Now we can go to post, and we'll see here we go a new post, which is a draft and exploring different types of cooking robots and their features, which is the post we wanted. Let's open a new tab just to show you. And this is the article that has been generated totally by artificial intelligence. We did nothing. So first, an introduction to cooking robots. What are cooking robots? The benefits of using them, the different types of cooking robots. So the automated sous vide machines, cooking arms, blah, 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 which features to consider. And here we have a nice carousel with various cooking robots from Amazon. So any reader can select the best product for himself. And we have one cooking robot, another one. So every time a different topic is being discussed about one robot. So after you are sure that everything is fine, your key phrase is there, check in Yoast SEO that everything is correct, you can publish your article. Simple. Let's publish our article. Here we go. And let's open the new post in a article in a private window so we can see it without the administration interface of WordPress. And here we go, our article has been published. Very simple, long form roundup article that has been created in a few seconds using artificial intelligence. So again, if you have not yet used Gizzmo.ai to generate your Amazon affiliate articles for you, use the link in the description, have a look, try it for yourself, and let us know in comments what are your best performing articles generated automatically by robots. Thanks.